Hi, I'm Randy with BBQ Guys. Today we're going to be checking out the Rogue Collection of Napoleon gas grills. The one we have here is the 425 model. Let's get to it. Inside the Rogue series, you'll find stainless steel cooking grids designed with Napoleon's signature wave shape. These grids retain a good amount of heat for putting nice color on whatever you choose to grill. Being made of stainless steel, they are made to be durable and stand the test of time. Underneath the cooking grids, you'll find Napoleon's dual-level stainless steel sear plates, which provide plenty of coverage for protecting the burners from debris. Each plate has a window for a clear view of which burners are ignited. The sear plates form a tent shape, causing grease to quickly roll off. This design kept flare-ups under control well when grilling these burgers. Napoleon's dual-level design provides coverage directly over each burner, as well as a second layer in between each burner. This adds to the likelihood drippings will be vaporized back to the grilling surface as flavorful smoke. The Rogue series features stainless steel tube-style burners. Each conventional burner is lit by Napoleon's Jetfire Ignition for quick and reliable lighting. The burners are each rated for 12,000 BTUs, for a combined total of 36,000 BTUs on this 425 model. For added cooking versatility, Napoleon offers models in the Rogue series that have a flush-mounted infrared sear burner on the left side shelf. With Napoleon's Sizzle Zone, you can enjoy the quick preheat time of an infrared burner and reach searing temps up to 1800 degrees. The enameled cast iron cooking grates will easily put bold grill marks on whatever you sear. Having the Napoleon Sizzle Zone in addition to the main cooking space makes this Rogue perfect for grilling your whole meal at once. Roast sides with lower temperatures over the conventional burners while getting a steakhouse quality sear over infrared at the same time. If you would rather a range-style side burner, Napoleon does offer some Rogue models with this instead of the Sizzle Zone infrared. The Napoleon Rogue Collection features a warming rack that can be easily removed when not needed. To keep an eye on your temperature, the hood of the Rogue Collection has an easy-read hood-mounted thermometer. The Rogue model we have here today is part of the Black Edition. It's worth noting, there are also models available with a stainless steel exterior. If you decide you want a Rogue model without a burner on the side shelf, the exterior comes in black with stainless steel accents. There are several size options within the Napoleon Rogue Collection, allowing you to find one that is the perfect fit for your space. The side shelves of the Rogue Collection can be folded down when needed, and feature hooks to keep barbecue tools close at hand. The cart of the Rogue 425 has a detachable storage basket on the side, and plenty of enclosed storage space beneath the grill. For easy cleaning, grease drains to this removable pan within the cart, and the upper drip tray can be completely removed when cleaning is needed. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions about Napoleon gas grills, give us a call or visit us online. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content. And remember, at BBQ Guys, we smoke the competition.